All right, here we go with one of the most popular passive income businesses in the past year or two. That's going to be YouTube automation. So everyone knows now that you can make a YouTube channel and make money from the ads based on how many views you get. You can also make money from sponsorships or selling your own products. But for this one, I mainly want to focus on how to get this done and how I've done it successfully making a YouTube automation channel, and it's not that hard. If you think you can't do it, you definitely can. And the whole point of it is to actually pay other people to do it, but I don't recommend doing that at first because you can be spending upwards of $200, $300, $400 per video if you're gonna, you know, pay people to make the four main elements of a YouTube video. So let's get into how I would do it. The four main parts are going to be the title thumbnail. So you can see on the screen, world's most intense roller coasters with 3 pictures of roller coaster and flames. That's the thumbnail. The title over here is top 10 world's most intense roller coasters. Pretty easy, you may say. Not as easy as it seems to get people to click. You got to just think, would I want to click on that? And if I'm just scrolling through, am I going to click on this? And it's not like you can't design this. It's just making the design and thinking of the idea. So right off the bat, those are the first things you're going to want to think about. If you're going to make a successful video, start with the title and the thumbnail. And you can pay someone to make the thumbnail. Come over to Fiverr, just type in YouTube thumbnail. There's plenty of people out there that will do this for $5. 17,000 plus results. And right here, the second row, $5. This guy's going to make you a custom YouTube thumbnail for $5. You can go ahead and pay someone there. Honestly, if you're going to pay someone starting out, I would probably start with the thumbnail because it is so cheap at $5 if you really think you can't do the thumbnail part. But let's get into the second part. The second part is going to be the script of the video. And if you don't know how many words you can talk per minute, just Google it up. How many words can you talk per minute? 110 to 150 words per minute is going to be a normal conversation tone and voice. So let's go with 120 words in a minute. So you're going to have to pay someone for a 10-minute video to make a 1,200 word script at least. Or you can write that script yourself. If you're not a writer, it's going to be pretty hard to write out that script. You can use something like ChatGPT to help you with the script writing process, or you could just give it a go yourself. You know, the example I had over here, the top 10 roller coasters, can't be that hard. Just Google top roller coasters in the world and put together a list of 10, find a little information about them, write it in your own words, a paragraph about 10 of them. It's pretty easy. That's going to be like 100 words talking about each roller coaster, plus 100 for your intro, 100 for the outro. You're set. So I wouldn't pay anyone to do the script up front, but also I do writing as a side hustle, and it was one of my main businesses for a while, so I'm a really fast and proficient writer. But if you're going to want to pay someone for this, it's going to be expensive. No one's going to do this for $5 because writing 1,200 words is going to take at least an hour, probably going to take the person a little longer. But you can see, like if we click on this one that says just $10, guarantee you, yeah, so he'll do $10, only 600 words. He'll do $20 for 1,400 words. So, you can go with this. This guy is from Pakistan. He says he speaks English. You never know how his writing really is, though. And you might just be better off doing it for yourself. Save yourself $20 and make the video yourself up front. It's not going to be as passive, but as your channel starts to gain views, and maybe once you start making money, then you could start paying people to do this for you. But this business, unlike the others that I'm covering on here, it's going to be the hardest to make $1 with, because you're going to have to get a good amount of views. You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours to get paid from YouTube. Obviously, you could maybe get lucky, and before you get 1,000 subscribers, you could get a sponsor and they could pay you to mention their product. Or, like we talked about in the print on demand video, you could start a print on demand store on Shopify. Say you made videos about roller coasters, you could make a roller coaster shirt design, sell it for 25 bucks, and make $12 for every time someone buys one of your shirts. So there's various ways to make money, but you could go 6 months posting 3-4 videos a month and never get to 1,000 subscribers. So this one is risky, but I do know people that in the first couple of months have started making $10,000 a month on YouTube just from the ads. And I also know people that make $50,000 a month with YouTube automation. So it is insanely profitable if you can make it happen. Again, coming back here, you can see this video has 400,000 views. This has 4.6 million views, but we haven't even got into the third part of what you need for YouTube automation. That's going to be a voiceover. So you can find that on Fiverr. You could buy a very simple mic, like this one that I'm wearing is $20. Plugs right in your computer. Sounds great. And you can do the voiceover yourself. Or you could try to find someone for cheap. It's going to be pretty expensive, like $110 for 125 words. This is probably the most expensive part, and it's going to be a hard one to find. So another thing you can do on Fiverr is just enter your budget of $5, and you could try to see, like this guy here charges 500 words for $5. So again, 1,200 words. Maybe you could get him to do it for $10, maybe like $12 on 1,200 words. Another guy, 500 words. So there are people you could find on here that will do it for pretty cheap as well. But for the quality, for me, I would start everything out on the channel 100% free, do it yourself. That way you know how everything works, and you know how to work better with some of these freelancers when you start deciding that you want to turn this into a passive business and having them do it. You kind of know how it all works, and it'll just make the whole process a lot smoother and easier. And then the last one is you're going to need an editor. So you can edit yourself. You can see this video with 4.6 million views. As we watch it for a bit, the editing is very basic. They have found fair use clips of roller coasters, and they're just linking them up one after another. Sometimes they'll run some transitions in here. There's not even any text. You saw that swipe transition. Very easy to do on a free software like iMovie. They have all those options. There's another swipe. That's all there is. They're just mashing clips together. They have a voiceover, and they have like number 10 with the text. Very simple. Sometimes they even use pictures on there, like you can see here. So very easy. There's another just picture. Very simple editing. I think that's all you need if you have a faceless YouTube automation channel like this. You don't have to pay someone to do it, but also you can find them for very cheap. Again, let's come over, type in YouTube editor, and let's give our budget of $5. So let's see if anyone will do this for $5. So most of them are $5 for a minute. Here's $5 for 5 minutes. So right there, $10, 10-minute video. Very simple, very easy. I mean, all in all, if you want the very cheapest of stuff we found on Fiverr, you could probably get a video made here for about like $40-50, which is not bad. But again, I recommend starting off doing everything yourself. Just see what it all takes. I think it'll make your business better in the end. So now let's talk about different ways to monetize. I mentioned earlier the AdSense is going to be a big part in that. So roughly, if you're making videos like this, you'd probably make $3 or $4 per every 1,000 views. This video has 400,000 views, so This person probably made $1,200 to $1,500 on this video, which is pretty insane. Even if you're saying that they cost them $100, $200 to pay people to make this, still making $1,200. This one, someone made like $12,000 on this video. The AdSense is going to be there. Also, let's click into this, see if they have any links down below. And we can see that they have a Facebook page, a Twitter page, and that's it. So I'm guessing they're monetizing on Facebook and Twitter as well. So that's the way they do it. They don't have any affiliate links, which you could do. And I didn't see any sponsors either. It's a little weird to sponsor a channel like this, but definitely a viable option for some business owners. Alright, so that's that one, YouTube automation. Definitely insanely profitable. It's going to be the hardest to make your first buck on. If you can really grow a big channel, it's going to be insanely profitable. And you could hire out people, as we saw in this video, to make the full videos for you.